G'day guys, welcome to my channel where I look at men's boots and apparel that's built to last. Today I'm doing a very big unboxing from a very big brand, Huckberry.com. It's an online store dedicated to all things cool, outdoorsy, wax, canvas, leather, and yeah, stuff that's built to last, the kind of stuff I do on this channel. So when they reached out to me and said, hey man, would you like to unbox our best-selling items so people know what they look like and how they fit? I said, yeah man, but I actually already own your 10-year hoodie and the waxed trucker jacket you're trying to send me. And they said, all right, we'll send you the other stuff and you can just show the stuff you already own. And I said, okay, I'll mix in my old worn-in stuff with the new shiny things and hope no one cares. So here are Huckberry's 6 best-selling things. Yes, I got them for free, but I would note that I made videos about Huckberry's stuff before they were sending me free things, because I actually do quite like the company. So this is their 6 best-selling items, including a pair of boots. Let's see what we got. All right, first up is the 45 tee. So this is Huckberry's best-selling t-shirt. The brand is 45, and I decided to get their slubby curved hem tee. I got a curved hem because I have a long torso, and I got slub because people just like slub, man. Slub is irregularity in the fabric. I actually did a video on slubby tees in London. You can check out up there, but basically that's texture to the shirt. The idea with 45 is to, quote, achieve perfection of well-worn vintage t-shirts from the 60s and 70s. And it's made in America for 35 bucks. It's pretty solid value, and this is what I look like in it. So if you like it, I guess you can click the link in the description below. All right, look at this brand new jacket. This is the Flint and Tinder trucker jacket that I'm pretending I just got, but I actually did a whole video on it a couple of years back up there. This is like the most popular wax jacket on the market, man. It's made from dense and abrasion resistant canvas that has been waxed to make it water resistant and to make it look cooler, because wax canvas looks cool as hell. The style is a bit reminiscent of a Type 1 denim jacket, and I wear mine a lot. Here's some proof. I wore it all over Europe this past winter because it's lined with some toasty warm flannel that makes it really handy for transitional seasons. It is polyester flannel, it's not cotton, but it is nonetheless very nice and warm and toasty, as polyester often is. It's just cool, man. I said in my best wax jackets video that I have a lot of wax jackets, but this is the one that I just find myself wearing the most because it's very easy. You don't have to think about it too much. It's just as easy to throw over like you know, a button down and nice jeans as it is with a hoodie and sweats when you're running out for coffee. It's a staple of the brand and of the wax jacket pantheon, and it deserves its popularity in my opinion. It's also made in America and costs under 300 bucks, which is super rare for a wax canvas jacket. I encourage you to do your own research there. This is very good value for an American-made wax jacket. So yeah, it's a good place to start your journey if you're looking for a wax jacket. Next up is a slipper. It's the first slipper I've ever owned. They're called the Outdoor Slipper Boot. It has like 700 reviews on their website. It's one of the most popular items on this like outdoorsy fashion website, surprisingly enough. But it's a slipper you can wear outside. It's got a wool synthetic blend upper, a reinforced toe box so you don't stub your toes in the dark, they say. And one cool thing about the outsole is that it's made from recycled rubber, which I always like to see on products. Most importantly, you can wear them without socks and take them outside when you've got to walk your dog or something. So Gray's slipper, man. 700 reviews on the site means I should probably try these out myself and make my own video. Would you guys watch a slipper review? All right, next up is a very big deal. This is the 10-year hoodie from Flint and Tinder, a brand that Huckberry bought. This is often considered the best hoodie on earth and is compared with the likes of like massive mainstays like American Giant and Reigning Champ because it's so durable. You've got a 10-year warranty with this bad boy. What's very cool is the warranty covers literally anything. If you fall into a volcano and burn your hoodie and manage to survive and mail it back, they'll replace it. So it's pretty hard to argue with it as an investment. I wore mine to the gym yesterday and the day before that, so it's a little smelly and stained at the moment, but we're pretending this is brand new out of the box. Something to note is that this is a cotton polyester blend. It's 70% cotton, 30% polyester, and if you're turning up your nose, I mean, I get it, polyester is a no-no to a lot of dudes, but what it actually means is that it's easy to wash and it stretches less than 100% cotton. And it's also softer than 100% cotton tends to be. So it's what I wear when I'm lounging around and I don't want that kind of burly, rugged feel of a really thick 100% cotton hoodie. This is very thick and substantial though. And I said all this in the hoodie video that I made about this long before Huckberry was sending me stuff to unbox. So these are my genuine opinions on the 10-year hoodie. It's pretty solid investment. All right, I think this might be a size too small. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'll get a poll and then I'll decide if I need to swap this for a smaller size. The biggest size, that is. The 72-hour tee is next up here. So this is the brand called Proof. I put them in my video about hybrid shorts I did last year. There. This shirt's so popular, it comes in 20 colors right now, and it is made with 87% merino wool and 13% nylon because it adds some extra moisture wicking properties. So why would you wear a wool shirt? Well, if you're a fan of unlined wool coats like me, you know that wool actually breathes really well and is pretty decent at temperature regulating too. Like, it's not as stuffy as someone might imagine if they're not super experienced with wool. Plus, wool is odor resistant and moisture wicking and odor resistant. That's why this is a 72-hour shirt. You can wear it for a while without it stinking, and it's why Merino t-shirts are often advertised as the ultimate traveler's companion. If you're far from a washing machine or you're flying for days on end, I may wear this while traveling for my upcoming Australia trip. They can be pretty useful. The wool also comes from New Zealand, the mortal enemy of Australians like me, but I won't hold that against them. And it's sustainably sourced as well because Kiwis, they know a lot about wool. Lastly, I've got to put a boot here. It's the Astorflex boot. 500 plus reviews on Huckberry. They've been on my radar for a while because they aim to be seen as a very sustainable boot brand. The hook is that it's made from eco-friendly leather and rubber. Like, the leather is like largely, if not totally, vegetable tanned. It's aged for 30 days in a mixture of oak bark and mimosa, which is typically how boots are vegetable tanned. So like low impact ingredients. It's got a crepe rubber sole as well, which, as I said in my Clark's Desert Boot review, it's unbelievably soft and squishy. It wears a little more quickly than harder rubber, but that's kind of a trade-off for the softness. If you want to be prioritizing softness there, this is a good material for prioritizing that. It can't be resold, at least not easily. It's not a Blake Stitch or a Goodyear welt or anything, but the leather is cool and it's 215 bucks, so the price is about right for a hard to resole boot. So yeah, I'm gonna get in some wear on these and then put up a review. All right, man, that is unboxing Huckberry's 6 most popular items. There was supposed to be a duck boot in there as well, but I think it got lost in the mail. I don't have it, but expect a review of their very famous duck boot as well, because that's them trying to combine like sneakers and rainproof boots. It seemed pretty cool. I don't have it, but yeah, check that out as well. I'll put it in the description below as well if you're interested in that. That looked pretty cool. That's it. Yeah, links if you like all this stuff in the description below. Subscribe if you just wound up here for more stuff, more videos and content on apparel that's built to last. And yeah, let me know if there's anything here that you are interested in, because Huckberry makes some pretty interesting stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video.